Performance, sports car DNA with instant electric torque. Range, around 300 miles. Design, sleek aerodynamic style with Porsche luxury touches. Interior, digital cockpit with sporty seating and premium details. The Macan EV blends Porsche's racing heritage with a sustainable future. In 2025, luxury sedans have evolved into more than just vehicles. They are rolling works of art that combine cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and unmatched comfort. With the world moving towards electrification, brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lucid, and Tesla are pushing the limits of what a luxury sedan can offer. Today we'll explore the most advanced electric sedans of 2025, highlighting their performance, technology, and luxury features. Performance, up to 516 horsepower and a range of 340 miles. Technology features the MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive 56-inch curved display. Luxury, handcrafted interiors with ambient lighting and massage seats. Experience, silent smooth ride with intelligent driving assistance. The EQS redefines elegance, proving that sustainability can also mean ultimate comfort. Performance, dual motor setup delivering 536 horsepower. Entertainment, 31-inch 8K rear display with surround sound system. Luxury, crystal controls, customizable ambient lights and executive seating. Range, around 318 miles per charge. The i7 is designed for both the driver and passengers, blending driving pleasure with cinematic entertainment. Performance, tri-motor system producing 200+ horsepower. Range, over 500 miles, setting a new standard in EV efficiency. Design, sleek aerodynamic styling with luxury-focused interiors. Tech, advanced driver assistance and AI-based navigation. The Lucid Air Sapphire shows that an American newcomer can challenge Europe's biggest names in luxury. Performance, 1020 horsepower, 0-60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Technology, autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Luxury, minimalist interior with a yoke steering wheel. Range, about 396 miles per charge. The Model S Plaid is a symbol of Tesla's relentless pursuit of speed and innovation. Performance, 750 horsepower with launch control.